Sanbonani. So today you're going with me to Epumulong. I'm going to do my hair. And don't forget to subscribe. Kiskia TV. Give flavor, baba.
I hope I'll mind it. I'm trying to go to content. Go to market now. Yeah.
So my brother from another mother is a Kosi. You see, that's why I was like, as in Kosi, since we going into the final for the Netbank, I'll so this is me getting my haircut in shy cut. I told him that as in I'm as a customer. Do you see, you surprise me marangfuna shy cut. So this is how it went. I lumchita mfethu uyayishaya into yakhe mfana. Yo thank you Kosi elengoma ngibambe for 3 days. I wanna experience something with in any if you want the best haircut uchelivar ngenekas enekas angeke bakrop phela machita wale ngaphandle ayisha into yabo kuba ngathi bazile yona lento yabona our brothers mashaka yabona hey kwaba mnandi umshita lona kwaba netouch yakhe mfana ishaya khona mfana ngithi. So I really had to record this. At this point I'm thinking to myself, what is this guy doing? Is he gonna corner my hairline because I still need to also cut my beard, you know, because there's only a few people that can be able to cut my hairline, and I always get worried because as in le mpandla yami ngamele uyishaye grand ukuthi iziphume grand mara lo mjito uyiphethe uyazazi into zakhe yabo. Mfana kithi ngiyakutshela mfana uyayibona nawe ukuthi hayi hairline on the flex danko skiya awusweke hayi this ke mawungabheka lapha emuva ayish angumuntu wami naye bamenza inywele lapha esithando sami awuzweke madoda ufuna itshebe uyayitrimma ushaye into zakhona mfowethu. Mfowethu azi nami bese ngimangele mfowethu ukuthi mfowethu abangibuzanga nokuthi ngifuna ukugunda intshebe bavele bathi body neyitrimma miyenza njani yayibona lo mchita aze abuye mfana kithi. Thank you ntwana sekasi, thank you looking all fresh or looking all nice. Thank you Skia Keys, thank you my leader, thank you my CEO kitsona baba ke flavor. For some reason as mangibona le flag bengisho ngithi azini ngiyakutshela mfana kithi iChiefs iyo ithathi iyaphela le drought ye 10 years, and as we find out this I'm posting it after, so I already know the results ukuthi hayi ikhosi liyoshaya abantu. Hey ngamangala lana ke sabangibamba ke ngehead dryer bakhipha inywele. Cabanga leso sikhathi mfethu semchondolweni mfethu ephumuloko mfethu yabo. Amara ikhosi lami libuya ngalo ikhosi lami ngiyalibona mfethu naye ne-hairline nayo ihleli mkontanti nangusikhiya naye ziyakhala awuzweke babuya ngento ngespirit ke spirit and shine, but spirit and shine their own product. Lamajita laba bafiti you can learn a lot from these guys. Yabona nangusikhiya nayo ihleli lapha esofini ihleli lapha esofini lana esitulweni yayibona. Hayi bamsula lapha I feel njengo sexy boy. Sexy boy is Skia Keys. Athama lo muntu leso sikhathi uzuthi sexy boy. Because la sengicedile mfana sengimela umuntu wami yabona ukuthi hayi athi ngiblame kancane before sithi tshwe.
A few moments later.
Thank you very much for watching this vlog. Kiskia TV in that day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Give flavor.